Are you having trouble to study for a long time? Are you unable to exercise regularly? Here is the solution for you. For more videos on self improvement and success, do subscribe. Now let's get started. When trying to build exercise routine or read a book, most of the people seems they need to take massive action like work out for 2 hours. But massive action required motivation and you always find more excuses like I have headache today, I am too tired today and we end up not doing it. But what if the requirement was so small there was no bad excuse to skip it? This is what the author asked himself after failure of developing habit of exercise. For a decade, Stephen Guys fails to do 30 minutes of a workout. So whenever he fails to do workout, he asked himself to complete at least one push-up. Slowly, he noticed his ego do not allow him to only one push-up. So he continued till his muscles gets tired. Only few minutes to develop habits. Yes, it is difficult to build a good habit. For example, you have decided to read a book in a week. You have actually read it for some days, but later on you need more motivation and you end up with no pages. We only motivated for those things which we like to do, like watching TV, social media, etc. So, for developing a good habit, set your target at minimum. Instead of reading a whole book in a week, set a target to read a page each day. By setting a small target, you don't have to encourage yourself to complete it. Every day you will be able to finish target without any motivation. If you motivated, you may end up reading 15 pages some days, and if you not, you will somehow manage to read at least a page. Thus, you will definitely complete a book in certain amount of time instead of giving up. By setting hard target, we only can continue for some days and then due to lack of motivation end up to continue old routine. So, if you want to wake up at 6 in the morning, start waking up 15 minutes early. This may not be hard for you, and slowly you will be able to wake up at 6. Same way, if you set target to meditate for 30 minutes, someday you may not have 30 minutes and you totally avoid and slowly will not continue. Instead, if you set a target for 10 minutes, your mind will not resist to complete it, thinking it's small target. If you follow many habits, it will be part of our routine. For daily activities like bathing, brushing the teeth, we do not need any kind of motivation, as from childhood we have developed this habit. There is a one part in a human brain called basal ganglia. It is responsible for repetitive work, so we need not to force ourselves to complete it. According to a study, humans do 45% of repetitive work. So let's train our brain to mini task and achieve big target. Mini habit rule number 1, make it stupid small. Set minimum requirement lower than the lowest possible motivation so that your mind do not give any excuses. So even worst day you find the time and energy to complete it. Rule number 2, be happy with the minimum. When we set target, we tend to set a big target and ultimately end up not continuing it. Instead, be happy with the minimum and feel satisfied even if in a small. In this way, you may continue for a long run and due to consistency, result will be unexpected and amazing. If you like the idea of mini habits, refer the book The Mini Habits by Stephen Guys. Thank you guys. Keep reading and feel motivated. Please subscribe for more videos on self improvement and success. Thank you.